Ever feel like your finances are scattered across a battlefield? Bank accounts here, credit cards there, subscriptions hiding in the shadows. It's enough to make even the bravest budgeter flinch. But fear not, warriors of wealth. Today, we're diving into Rocket Money and conquering the art of account linking. Why link accounts, you ask? Simple, it's like having your own personal financial command center. Rocket Money can track your income, expenses, and subscriptions all in one place. No more scrambling for logins or wondering where that mysterious monthly charge is coming from. Imagine a clear picture of your financial health, ready to be analyzed and optimized. So, how do we get this financial fortress up and running? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Gearing up the Rocket Money app. First things first, you'll need the Rocket Money app. It's available for free on both iOS and Android. Once downloaded, fire it up and create your account if you haven't already. Don't worry, the sign-up process is a breeze. Step 2. Marching to settings. Now, with your Rocket Money account prepped, it's time to access the control panel. Look for the settings icon. It's usually a gear symbol tucked away in a corner, upper left-hand side for most apps. Step 3. Choosing your weapons linked accounts. Within settings, you'll find a treasure trove of options, but today, we're focusing on the linked accounts section. This is your gateway to financial integration. Tap on that bad boy. Step 4. Prepare for battle, selecting your institution. Here's where the magic begins. You'll see an option to link a new institution. This basically means you get to choose which bank or credit card accounts you want to connect to Rocket Money. Now, a friendly tip, Rocket Money uses a secure service called Plaid to connect with your financial institutions. Plaid acts as a middleman, ensuring your login credentials stay safe and sound. Step 5. The face-off authentication time. Alright, you've chosen your financial institution. Now comes the authentication phase. Basically, Rocket Money needs to verify you're the rightful owner of the account you're trying to link. This usually involves entering your bank or credit card login credentials. Remember, you're providing this information to Plaid, not Rocket Money directly. Step 6. Victory. Account linked. If everything goes smoothly, and it usually does, you'll be greeted with a triumphant message: your account is now linked. Congratulations, you've successfully brought a new soldier into your financial army. Bonus round, adding accounts manually, for the guerrilla financiers. Maybe your bank isn't on the Rocket Money compatibility list. Don't fret, there's a workaround for the resourceful budgeter. Within the linked accounts section, you might find an option to add account manually. This allows you to add basic information about your account, like its balance and recent transactions. While it won't offer the automatic updates of a linked account, it still helps you keep track of everything in one place. Remember, patience is a virtue. It might take a day or two for Rocket Money to fully sync your transaction data from your newly linked accounts. Don't panic. Just give it some time to gather its intel. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on conquering your finances.